Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Guys, yo nginendaba efishane enhle usisi uyangibhalela. Usisi une stress guys and ufuna abantu aba kule situation yakhe bamufe like advice ukuthi enze kanjani. Usisi uthi I was chosen. Okay, I met my husband sise university. Sapusha raba obon. Hi, kwaba mnandi like that. Brothers was like, you know what? I'm sending abo malume yini bazolobola. Okay, balobola sharp. And then saceda again then ngathola umsebenzi ubrothers nawe wathola umsebenzi usisi usebenza umsebenzi alright ubrothers usebenza retail yabona edanga ukuthi usebenza as in ku retail yabona. So usisi uthi okay mina no brothers sinabantwana abayi2 one ngene isikolo one ngene crash yabona uthi okay sihlale kanjalo emcashweni ngithi sayithi uthi you know what, let me apply for a house yabona sibe nekhaya lethu because mina I can afford ukuthi ngi-apply le indlu uthi ngi-apply le indlu bang-approve abaqeda ukungi-approve lana sibona ukuthi okay angakhona ukuyibhadala ubrothers na ngibona ukuthi no izoba too steep for yena so ngcono mina ngiyibhadale then ngizabhadala nama levies like your water and rates and stuff like that yabona uthi sharp. And then uthi sihleli phansi as a family say discuss this thing before yabona uthi yena athi you know what mina I will buy groceries ngizothenga groceries and then from lapho ngizobhadalela nomntwana isikolo sharp kwaba discussion esibe nayo. How mina ngiyabhadala ibondi nama levies and stuff like that. Ubrothers makathenga igroza uthenga impuphu uthenga irice uthenga ishibu uthenga ama toiletries, that's it. And if those into azithengile manqeda uhola ziyaphela during them you know ukuthi mansebenza fanele ukuthi niphathe nekhaftini igrocery obviously izophela fanele kuphela uyi top up each and now and then kilobona towards like khwida ixofela yabona. Usisters uthi mawumtshela ukuthi hayi phela need to top up izinto ziyashota. Brothers had again athi mina ngithengile grocery ngithenga once and once only yabona angizothenga igrocery kayi2 ngenyanga. So sisters uthi on top of le grocery akathenga izinto zesikhaftini athengi like ezinye izinto ezidingeka endlini like body fruits and veggie wabona mos body spices duringana tsedijwa abuto reka shebo areke bupi areke rice areke di toiletries ufeditse. So sisters uthi ngoma ngimfazi mengiphekayo uthi okay there's a short time zibe ukuthi nami ngiyazithenga kube into ya every month manje sezithenga yimi makushort grocery mafa uthi top up yimi sharp kimihlahasi everything kenna uthi awushozi into engizwisa obuhlungu kokugcina ubrothers ngama weekend uyachepa ageze hamba yophuza nabangani bakhe mina ngihleli nabantwana ngapha makushota ini akushota sukira akushota litswayi yimemeni ukuthi ngithenge. Uthi okay ngikhulume naye phansi kokuqala sikhulume abone ngathi uya understand but still angachange behavior angachange na the way ethenga ngakhona ukudla. Okay endlini mangaphuka ilight mangaphuka umnyango mangaphuka ihandle anything yasendlini brothers adikeni uzomtshela ubiluhlale phansi imemana ukuthi ngifuna umuntu afake whatever emoshekile imemana ukuthi ngiyithenge ngize ngifuna umuntu ayifake ubrothers he's not hands on befuthi adikeni tabatsa lapho uthi ngizubhlungu because of I'm paying everything for lana endlini ngicabanga ukuthi khaya lethu but ubrothers yena uacta ngathi uyisivakashi. So uthi this thing saying affected to an extent ukuthi nasekamareni angisana ama feelings asekamareni or akitla kwa kamareni ngiyaboreha njathi ngithatha ngiyaboreha athi ngifila ngathi ngihlala nengane ngihlala nomuntu omdala uthi umuntu ngihleli naye every time uthi manje recently sibe ne discussions ahlala phansi ngamchaza ukuthi izinto ozenzayo like zincane towards izinto ngizenza izinto zami ziningi athi beng expect ukuthi uzonginceda even if kuba i50-50 bekuzoba ngcono but now wena uyenza bo 25-30% mina fanele ukuthi ngicwaselele ngalama percent ashotayo like ngifila ngathi wena uyang-abuse kahle financially kusho sisters atshela batsho brothers akwate athiya you impatient befuthi angicabangeli wara things like that uyangibamba. So ngicela ukuthi niphe sisters iadvice ukuthi fanele ukuthi ayenze njani.